Right, we're going to be doing another acrylic pour. This time I'm doing the background pillow paint in black. So this will be a mix of this by Colvin Co Art and Crafts, and that's black. I'll also be using this blue by a bear iridescent acrylic. It's bluish purple flash, and that's that. It's got a bit of a sparkle in it, so I'm hoping that's going to look nice. And I've also done a silver, love silver, with Gedeo Studio acrylics. Okay, it's metallic iridescent silver. Give that a little stir up. Oh, it's got a little bit thick. And right, let me just put these back. I might be using the purple from the last ones I did. They're just metallic purple. It hasn't actually got a name. So let's get this down. Let's not clean that, so let's just do it with my hand. Goodness. Stop coming up. the way this is going like that. If I put my finger out, right, that's his hand and that's his arm, that's his face, this is his cloak, these are all the soles. Look, they're all coming towards him. Oh, that's what I'm gonna call it, the grim. So cool. Camera's not picking up all the silver light. When you see it's all good. Once it's dry, I'll show you. But yeah, I love it. Right, guys. Do you remember that one I was doing that I said looked like a bit like a Grim Reaper? Anyway, I highlighted the bits that I thought were like mountains with a pen. And then I was doing a path down here in Amethyst, Sodalite, I think it is, and I think the other one, oh, and crushed stones, black glass stones. And I've done, what I did was I got some Epsom salts, like you can see here, and I got some ink and I dyed it black pigment. Come on, focus. That's it. And a purple colour. I used this, and then I dried it all out on kitchen roll, and you spread it all out to dry it all out. And then what I've done is I've kept it the black because I did too much. Just going to get another pot for that. Keep them for another thingy. But so anyway, I ended up, it was my husband's idea to do the cross, which I thought was brilliant. I turned this into like the Grim Reaper, like I said I was going to. I made him a little and a little hand, and then I did all these little skulls I had already. I'd already done these in a tiny little mold I had with leftover resin, so I made a couple of them, 4, and just got them all. But as you can see, these all look like little souls going up to the Grim Reaper. These were just charms and I just painted them. I thought it just gives that little 3D element, and then I just got a load of these and I took them all to pieces, painted them black, added it in with the Epsom salts, black Epsom salts, put them in the corners. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to resin this and then it's done. It looks really cool though. So happy. Husband has some great ideas sometimes, as they all do. All right, be back in a mo, guys. Going to make up some resin. Right, just going to do these little tiny bits first, and I've got a little bowl underneath here, so if anything falls off, we can just catch it. So what you just do, a little bit of resin, just gently go back and forth like that. Right, this is all finished, all dried. So what I'm going to do now is because you can't really see these little bits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of this silver gilding wax, and I'm going to put it onto these little rough areas where we can't really see it that much. So you just stick a little bit on your fingers. I'm going to stick that on there, and you just gently rub it over until you start seeing. Oops, sorry. Right, so I have tidied it all up, put on the silver stuff so you can see all the bottom. That looks really cool. So happy with that. I'll get some photos of it. Yay! Let it really dry through for a couple of days because that silver's got to dry. That'll probably come through a little bit better. But yeah, very happy with it. Very, very happy. Excellent. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you want to subscribe, I will be having more videos like this. Remember, it doesn't cost anything. I enjoy making these, and hopefully you'll enjoy me doing them for you guys. Any comments, leave in the comments below and I will leave all the descriptions of everything I've used in the links below. So hopefully, like I say, thank you so much for watching these videos. I do really enjoy doing them for you guys. So anyway, thanks guys, take care, have a cool time, bye.